Hello everyone. Today in this video tutorial, what I will be doing is a research on a new sensor that is SI7021. And to gain more knowledge about this sensor, what do we do is to log in on the website first of all. That's controleverything.com, and here search for the sensor that is SI7021, and let's look after what it is actually. And it says that it's a humidity and temperature sensor, and these are some of its more precise features as you can relate it to. Now you can also purchase the sensor from here. Well, further I will be interfacing the humidity and temperature sensor SI7021 with the BeagleBone Black, and the software platform I'm using is the C language code. And for that, resource code or resource tab is there, and let's C code sample be there. And you can download the C code sample from here as a zip file. Also, you can have this github.com from where you can download the code, and the repository there is control everything community. Now let's have a look over the hardware connections we need to set up, and let's interface. Well, for the hardware connection setup, first of all, the requirement is of the BeagleBone Black, which you can see on my screen, and this here is an I2C shield. It's available on the website controleverything.com, and the real issue and the reason we are using this shield is to make connections easier with other I2C devices. So for that, gently place over this I2C shield gently over the BeagleBone Black and make a connection like this, like that. Now we require our sensor, that the humidity and temperature sensor SI7021, and this here is a connecting cable. Make the connection and make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and for the same reason to the I2C shield. Now to power up the BeagleBone Black, we need two things, and first of all, it's a mini USB cable just like that, and gently insert it over this jack. Now the second thing we need is an adapter of 5 volt, and gently place over this power jack here. The last part is to provide the internet connection, and there are two ways you can use either of them. First of all, an Ethernet or a LAN cable, and gently insert it over this Ethernet jack. You can also use a wireless nano USB adapter if you don't have the LAN cable or the Ethernet cable. Now we are done with the connections. Now what do we require next is to have a look upon C code, and let's interface it with that. Well, for the interfacing part, we require to log into github.com, and here we have to search for the repository that is control everything community, and click here, and here we have to search for the sensor. As you can see, is SI7021, and here comes the C code. Let's have a look over the instructions part, and here we have to set up the device BeagleBone Black and connect it, and the relevant information is provided on the link, which is beagleboard .org, and do it carefully. After that, you can download the code on the BeagleBone Black, and you can compile the code, and this is the command to compile, and this is to run the code. Please note it down carefully as it might come in handy later on. Now in the C code, you can see it's a .c file, and you notice in the code that we have included some of the header files, and in the void main function we have to create I2C percent check whether it is able to open or not, and we have to check for the I2C device, and the address of the sensor is 0x40. Now for the working part, we are sending some commands to send humidity measurement command, which is 0xf5, and it's here. Then we have a delay of 1 second, it's a sleep function, and then we are reading data, and we are reading 2 bytes of data actually for the humidity measurement, and it's a general read. And then we have a command or condition specifically regarding the input output error. After that, we have to convert the data for the humidity, and the formulas or the details are provided effectively in the datasheet for SI7021. Then we have to output data on the screen, which you can notice. We have to print it. It's the relative humidity in percentage RH. Then again in the writing section part, we are sending temperature measurement command 0xf3, and it's you can see the command there. And then we have delay or sleep function 1 second. We are reading 2 bytes of temperature data here from the general read command. Then we have error, input output error, and then the conversion of the data takes place here. Actually, you can see we have the convert of the data of the temperature, and at the very end we have the output on the data to be displayed, which is the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Now this is a very simple and generalized code. Now what do we require next is to have a look upon the working. Let's have it. Now coming to the working section, for this working, we have first of all to copy this entire code as you can see, and then we have to look over the terminal for the BeagleBone Black, and here we have to create a file. As you can see, it's a .c extension file, and here we have to paste the entire code we have just copied and then save it. And then this is the command, as you can see on my screen. It's the compilation command, as you have already seen in the instructions part, and then the code has been compiled successfully. Now to run the code, this is the command, and let's see what we got here. We have the relative humidity in percentage RH along with the temperature, which is in Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. And when I run the command again, there is a very small or no change. But when I press my finger over the sensor and run the command, you can see the change is reflected onto the screen, which is the relative humidity and temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. And again, the changes are there on the sensor on the screen. Now what we require is to have a look over the applications and the benefits. Let's have it. The SI7021 I2C humidity and temperature sensor is a monolithic CMOS IC integrating humidity and temperature sensor, an analog to digital converter, signal processing, calibration data, and I2C interface. The patented use of industry standard low K polymeric dielectric for sensing humidity enables the construction of low power monolithic CMOS sensor ICs with low drift and hysteresis and excellent long-term stability. These features make it very viable for applications like HVACR, microenvironments, data centers, thermostats, automotive, climate control and defogging, white goods, ASAT and good tracking, mobile phones and tablets, and a lot more. This sensor can be purchased from the website, that is controleverything.com, and you can have the code from the resource tab, and after that you can download it. You can also have the code from github.com, and the repository there is Control Everything Community. In the end, I would just like to make it clear that in case of any further queries, you can have a look over the controleverything.com, and for comments you can post your comments on community page. Now for blogs and articles which are relevant to this sensor and the video, you can go to instructables.com, and to subscribe more video tutorials like this, go to YouTube channel and subscribe it. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one yourself. Thanks a lot for watching.